So we're at Trader Joe's at 72nd Street in Manhattan. And if you turn around, you can see this is where the carts are normally sitting right here. There's no cart, not a cart. The guy is letting people in, like piece by piece, and said there's a line going all the way around the store. So we figured the video would be the best way to show that. So let's try to find the line. Here comes a couple of carts. Well, they're not. There's people shopping desperately for Sandy.
Hey, Derek.
Is that the line? No.
The milk is over here.
Well, yeah, but we're not shopping, are we?
Oh.
That's the end of the line right here.
Oh.
You guys are no fun.
So the end of the line is here.
What are you gonna get?
Down by the school bus is halfway, or that's about 2/3 of the line down to the school bus. Then it's another third to the left after that. So I don't think we're shopping today. We're okay.